So in this video, I'm going to discuss about a new topic, time, distance, and speed. So this topic is very important for RRB, TSPSC, UPSC groups, and all other competitive exams. So let's get started without any delay. So topics are covered in this chapter is general concept. See, this is a general concept. In this video, particularly in this video, so I will cover only general concept and some previous year questions asked under this concept I will discuss. Okay. So in the second video, I will discuss relative speed and very important. And third video, average speed. And in fourth video, boards and streams are very important. And races and games only important for group 1, group 2 and higher level examinations. Okay. So now let's get started with the general concept. See here, general concept is nothing but okay. So this general concept is, so we have only one formula, that is speed. So speed equal to distance by time. Got it. So only we have only one formula in this chapter. Now what I will do is that, so by using this formula, so I'm going to derive three conditions. Very simple. The first condition is when same distance is given. When same distance means distance equal to constant. The formula we have to use is S1 T1 equal to S2 T2. Please note these conditions in your notebook and remember in your mind. Okay. Now with the b condition, so same distance is over. Now let me consider same time. So same time is given in the question. Same time or time equal to constant is given in the question. The condition will be d1 s1 equal to d2 s2. Okay, this is the second condition. Now the third final condition is, see, distance same completed, time same completed. If the speed is same is given in the question, then the condition will be same speed. For same speed, the condition will be d1 t1 equal to d2 t2. So pause the video and note these conditions in your notebook and will be very helpful for the problem solving. Now I will discuss the questions asked in the previous competitive exams like SSC CGL, CHSL, SSC MTS. So I have attempted those three exams and I got these questions in each of the exam. Now I will discuss those questions. Be careful, listen carefully. Now, the first question here comes. A train is running at 30 km per hour to cover a distance in 6 hours. So, a train is running. So, the speed of train is 30 km per hour. So, it will cover a distance in 6 hours. Find the speed of another train which covers the same distance in 5 hours. See here, same distance is given. So, in 5 hours. So, let me write speed of first train is 30 kilometer per hour and time of first train to taken to cover 6 hours. Now next, speed of second train to cover the same distance is not given. We have to find question mark, and time taken by the second train to cover is 5 hours. Okay, so same distance condition, what is the condition for same distance? S1 T1 equal to S2 T2. S1 T1 equal to S2 T2. So S1 means what? 30 from this problem. T1 6. S2 we have to find. It is 5. Now S2 will become 30 into 6 by 5. 5 ones are 5, 6 are 30. So S2 is equal to 6 multiplied by 6, 36. 36 kilometer per hour. So this is very easy. Okay. So the option C is right answer. Okay. I hope you are very clear. And let us solve one more question. Yeah, this is second question. A train leaves the station A at a certain time at a fixed speed. See here, let us consider it is a station. Okay, it is a rectangular box is a station. So train A leaves the station at fixed time at fixed speed. We don't know that speed and time. Okay. See here, after 6 hours, another train B leaves the same station. So after 6 hours means, so after train A moved 6 hours, so train B started. So already it is traveled for 6 hours. Train A traveled for T1 equal to travel for 6 hours. Then see this, and moving in the same direction at an average speed of 90 km per hour. train B is moving with 90 kilometer per hour and it will become S2. Okay. This train means train B. Train B catches the first train in 4 hours. This train B moves like this and catches this train A equally after 4 hours. Means indirectly the T2 will become 4 hours. Now whatever T1 here, see, for the 6 hours train A is traveled alone. So individually train A, so single ga train A travel ayindi for the 6 hours, and for 4 hours both the trains traveled together. Okay, this train A is not stopped anywhere. So after 6 hours train B started. So train A is traveled for first 6 hours and traveled with train B again for 4 hours. That is why T1 will become 6 plus 4 equal to 10 hours. Okay, so don't take 6 hours. That is the logic in this question. T1 is not only 6 hours. 6 hours travel for single train A, but again with along with B it is traveled for 4 hours up to the meeting point. Okay, so now T1 will become 6 plus 4 equal to 10 hours. Okay, 6 plus 4 equal to 10 hours. Now we can write. So we have to find S1 of the speed of the train 1 is question mark. Same distance. Why same distance? Train 1, train A and train B both will meet after 10 hours. Both will meet means they covered same distance. So that is why I have to apply the T1 equal to S2 T2. So speed 1 will become, we don't know, we have to find. T1 is 10 hours. Speed 2 90 given. T2 4 hours. So S1 will become 90 into 4 by 10. 10 ones are 10, 9s are 9 4s are 36 kilometer per hour. So option 2 is right answer. Okay. Now let's discuss the third question. Please note the question and answer as well. Okay. Now let us discuss the third question. See here, car A took 35 minutes to cover a distance of 100 kilometers. Means a distance from A to B. Consider A to B. The distance is 100 kilometers. So car A. So car A covers this 100 kilometers in 35 minutes. Okay. If the speed of car B, see car B also from another direction is a B car, is the speed of this car is, let us consider speed of first car is S1, the speed of the second car is S2. How it will be? 25% faster than car A. So here speed of car 1 is not given. That is why I will consider speed of car 1 is 100 kilometer per hour for our simplicity. Okay, whenever the percentage is given, we have to consider the unknown value of speed 1 is 100 kilometer per hour. Then what will happen for the speed 2 now? See, 25% more than S1 means here convert 25% into value. 25 by 100 into 100 plus more means plus S1 value how much? 100. So this speed 2 will become 100 cancel, 25 plus 100. So speed of second car will be 125 kilometer per hour. See, if it is 100%, speed 1 is 100%, but speed of car B is 25% more, means 100 plus 25, 125%. That is the 125 kilometer per hour. Simple way. Okay. Now, what we have to find? T2. T2 we have to find. See, then car B will cover the same distance in dash minutes. Okay. So same distance again. See here. Again given same distance. The formula is S1 T1 equal to S2 T2. So what is the speed 1? We have considered 100. But T1, what is the T1? 35 minutes. What is S2? 125. What is T2? We have to find. So T2 will become 100 into 35 divided by 125. 25 4 ja, 25 5 ja, 5 1 ja, 5 7 ja, 4 7 ja, 28. So T2 equal to 28 minutes. I hope you are very clear with this concept. So the correct option is A. Okay. Now let's solve last question of this session. So it will be very easy for you. That question is, A man is walking. A man is walking at 3 by 4 of usual speed, reaches his office late by 10 minutes. See, here 3 by 4 of usual speed another. So, usual speed, we don't know what is the usual speed. Okay. So, consider USUL. Usual speed is equal to, I will consider S1. Now, what is the current present man speed? S2 equal to 3 by 4 of usual speed. So of means what in this physics? Multiplication. So 3 by 4 into S1. What the value of this? S2. See here. Now I will consider T1 equal to T. So time of the man when usual speed. If he is walking with usual speed, he will reach the office by T. But whenever he is walking with 3 by 4 of usual speed, he will reach 10 minutes late, means more time. 10 minutes more time is taking as usual time. So what we have considered as a usual time? T is a usual time, but 10 minutes more he is taking for the second condition. So T2 will become T plus 10. Late more comes under addition. T plus 10 we have to do. So now from home to office, same distance will be there. So we have to apply same distance condition. S1 T1 equal to S2 T2. So S1 will become S1 only. What is H2? 3 by 4 of S1. Sorry. Formula is wrong. S1 is S1. What is T1? T1 is T. What is S2? S2 is 3 by 4 of S1. What is T2? T plus 10. Okay. Now I will cancel S1, S1 because multiplication exists between, we can cancel it out. Next, what is the next? T equal to 3 by 4 left. 3 by 4 into T, 3 by 4 T plus 3 by 4 into 10, 3 by 4 into 10. Okay. Next, T minus, bring these T term in this side. That will become minus 3 by 4 T equal to 30 by 4. What it take by 1 and LCM 4 ki 1 ki LCM anta 4. So what is 4 into T? 4T 1 into 3 minus 3T equal to 30 by 4. So both are in denominator same terms. So cancel same terms. Now what is left? 4T minus 3T equal to 30. 4T minus 3T means 4 minus 3 1. 1T. 1T equal to 30 minutes. So T equal to 30 minutes. Option D is right answer. So this is the last question. And if you like this video and concept, please like, share, subscribe to ajaytips0806. Please like the video. At least please like, and if you don't share also, please like and comment, please.